This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage rice. Shred the cabbage finely, rinse 1 cup of rice, and heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a wide pan. Sauté 1 chopped onion and 2 cloves of garlic until translucent, then add cabbage and a pinch of salt. Stir to soften, add rice and 2 cups of broth, cover, and simmer gently until rice is tender and flavors meld together. To elevate cabbage rice, toast spices briefly in the pan before adding liquids. This wakes up their oils and aroma. Use 1 teaspoon smoked paprika or 1 teaspoon cumin for warmth, and consider a splash of soy sauce for umami. Adjust salt to taste, and if you like heat, add sliced chili or 1 teaspoon chili flakes. Finish with a squeeze of lemon and a handful of fresh herbs for brightness and freshness. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker makes setting timers, converting measurements, and playing cooking playlists effortless while you cook, and it fits neatly on a counter. I use voice timers for rice so I never overcook it. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. There are many simple variations to suit your needs and pantry. Use vegetable broth and white beans for a vegetarian protein boost, or stir in cooked sausage or diced chicken for a heartier meal. Add frozen peas or corn in the last 5 minutes for color and sweetness. Pair cabbage rice with a crisp green salad, yogurt sauce, or quick pickles to add contrast and make the meal feel complete and balanced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.